This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Veronica Rosado. Beautiful townhouse for rent in the MIRADA Lagoon Community. This home offers 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, high ceilings, an open concept kitchen with quartz countertops, a spacious living room, a laundry room, and a 1-car garage. Ready to live in a community that feels like a vacation every single day. At MIRADA, you'll enjoy a 15-acre crystal clear lagoon with activities like kayaking, an obstacle course, a bar, a tiki bar, and more family-friendly fun. This golf cart-friendly community also features a dog park, restaurants, Publix, and other convenient amenities. The rent includes high-speed internet, cable, lagoon access, and exterior maintenance. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Contact me today for a private showing. For more information.